Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to clear media cache and peak files to fix Premiere Pro freezing. Overloaded and corrupted Scratch databases generate broken reference links that lock up your interface layout and cause your editing workspace to freeze completely. First, launch Premiere Pro, but do not open or load any active project files. Move your cursor to the top left corner, click Edit, hover down to Preferences, and click Media Cache. Locate the topmost section explicitly block labeled Media Cache Files. Find the line showing the folder path directory and click the Delete button below it. A dialog configuration box will pop open. Click the preference selection bubble labeled Delete all media cache files from the system. This explicitly targets all cached data, including broken audio peak waveforms and conforming files. Click the OK button. Next, move your eyes down to the Media Cache Management Configuration section block. Click the bubble next to Automatically Delete Cache Files Older Than, and change the numerical value rule to 7 days to keep peak files from silently bottlenecking your solid-state drive space. Click the OK button. Finally, close out of Premiere Pro completely and relaunch the application. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.